If you've been looking for a wig full from top to bottom, as in root to ends, keep watching, because this wig ate and the lace most definitely just gave scalp. Hey girl, so today AliPearl sent over a wig, and come on, look at the box. It's giving luxury. So inside the box, you'll find your wig first. Also, you'll have a pack of 2 HD wig caps. No more thick caps, girl. Get an HD. Also, you'll have a wig band labeled with AliPearl so you can melt the lace, a mirror to look at your hair when needed, and an edge brush, and also a bag for storage purposes after the install. So the wig that we got today was an HD lace wig, 13 by 4, and it is a 22-inch Deepwave. This wig is perfect for anybody that does not know how to customize a lace. So this wig did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So once I put it on my skin, it's melted. There's no makeup, no glue, no nothing. Melted. So yeah, it's really a ready to wear wig. Just pop it out the box and install it. So let's go. So today, the client that I'm using today is my cosmetology teacher. So first, you'll start off placing the lace cap on the client's head and going ahead and cutting out the ear tabs. After you've cut out the ear tabs, you'll go in with your glue of your choice and you'll go ahead and outline the hairline of the client. Be sure to put the glue in front of the hairline because we don't want any hair loss. After placing the glue, you'll go ahead and smooth the glue out, because if you don't smooth it out, you'll have bubbles and bumps and lumps in the glue and it just won't give scalp. Also, next, since we don't have the sit down dryer, we're going to go in with our blow dryer and go ahead and melt the cap. Now you're going to go in with your Ruby Kiss cream foundation to go ahead and give the scalp appearance. So the makeup is what makes it appear like scalp underneath the wig. My client was a number 14, so we're going to go in with that shade. And now you're going to go ahead and cut the cap off so you can go ahead and get ready for the install. Place the wig on the client's head and go ahead and place it where you want it to be after you've applied the glue, just to make sure you're putting it in the right placement. Then you're going to go in and cut out the ear tabs. So, it's no lace on the ears. So go ahead and cut out the ear tabs on both sides of the wig. Now, come on. This lace is already giving scalp and it's not even glued down. Like, stop playing with AliPearl. You're going to go in with your glue. I'm using Erica J Hold Me Down glue. And you're going to put 3 layers of glue on the wig. So you don't want the wig to slip off or anything. So just be sure to do 3 layers. 1 if it's just for like a day or 2. But if you want the maximum hold, I suggest 3.
Gave you the whole heart, you can't leave without it. Yeah. Toxic, but you can't say you ain't have fun. Options, but I can't play you, I choose one. You know that I'm with you, no reason to prove none, especially not to one of your friends. Girl, it's not their job securing your spot, so that's up to you to see. And if the world can't understand what we got, just know that that's cool with me.
So she wanted a side part today. So the best advice I would give is search for the client's arch in their eyebrow and start your part right there. I do curved parts, but people are different. You can do a curved part or straight. Go ahead with your preference. And now, y'all know what time it is. It's the part that nobody likes. It's the melting process. So go ahead and put the band on your client's hair and put them up under the dryer because it's time to melt. After it's melted, you can go ahead and use your wax and go ahead and slick down the hair so it's nice and flat. So a good rule of thumb when slicking the hair down with the wax stick, go in between parts of the hair and add wax. And each part that you added the wax, you're going to hot comb those parts also. Because if you go straight from the top, you're not going to get the flattest look possible. And I'm going to tell you again, please don't skip this step with going in between the parts. Because nobody likes to look like they have a heel sitting on the top of their head or the wig is just sitting there. So make sure you make it flat because we don't wear helmets over here. We wear wigs.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now.
If you have the old fashioned or high heat dryer, you can really let them sit for like 10 minutes. And as you can see, she was so relieved when I took that band off. So y'all pay attention. It's already giving scalp. It's already giving melted. It's already giving coming straight out of her skull, out of her cranium, out of her head, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so now we're going to go in and part out all the parts of the hair that we're going to cut off because this will just make it easier and give you a nice clean cut when you're doing the lace.
All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
Go ahead and cut the lace off using an eyebrow razor. Everybody's preference is different. Some people use scissors. However, I use an eyebrow razor because it just gives a more realistic look when you're doing it this way to me.
I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Didn't change for
Like I said in the beginning, straight scalp.
circumstances would have changed you. You said you never traded no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even lie to you.
So, answer me a question. Who do you know can grow 22 inches of hair in less than an hour? Let me know something. Come back and tell me. Because, yeah, she just did that. So, now we're going to go ahead and part out the edges. She made it clear that she wanted edges. So, you know, we had to give them to her. We had to give her the edges.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days.
Now you're going to go in with a holding spray of your choice. I'm using the Even Lace Melt Spray. So you're going to go in with this and use a band to go ahead and give it the ultimate lace melt.
All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me.
See, I'm losing on my focus. If you choosing on my toes,
Now the last step really is to go ahead and do the edges. So I'm using mousse to put it in place because we want a soft look. We don't want hard edges, or we want a soft look. So go in with the mousse, and when you finish, just comb them out a little bit, and it's just gonna be a nice look. And put the black strip on the client's head and place them back under the dryer for about 10 more minutes. Off, I want y'all to see these 22 inches of hair that she grew in less than an hour and a half. Like, no growth oil, no nothing but magic hands from London J. And that's the end of the install. So now we're going to show you the thickness and just the curls and how to make them pop even more. So first, get into the lace. Get into just a close-up of the whole install. Just look at her. She looks amazing. Like, come on now. This is her hair. You cannot tell me otherwise. This is her hair. Hers. So we went ahead and sprayed water on it. And this is a tip, a trick that a lot of people won't tell you. But to give the hair a good, like, wet look for majority of the day, spray some type of oil sheen on it. If you're putting mousse and leave-in conditioner on the hair every other day, it's going to cause buildup. After a while, your hair is going to start feeling sticky. It's going to feel this way no matter the product. So you're going to need to get in the shower and just put water in it to let it come out every so often. But the oil sheen, when you try it, just make sure you know that I told you that, okay? Now get into the thickness of this wig. It's giving 250 density root to end. Look like 3 people's hair in one. Like, you can't get no better than this. No more see-through wigs. No more. Full wigs, all 2024, all eternity. That's what we're going to do. So just get into it. This wig is everything. The curls are luscious. Hair is very soft. No smell. No tangle. And a lot of wigs come with a chemical processed smell. If you know the smell, you know the smell. I'm not going to get into it. But yeah. So just look at the thickness. Look at it. Just come on. So we're spraying more water on it because I want you guys to see how these curls pop when the water is added. Because, yeah, it's going to give. What curly hair do you know can be combed with a small tooth comb? Let me know and come back and tell me that. Let me know. And this is the final look. She loved her hair. I'm so happy that she loved her hair. Y'all, the Lord touched her after she seen this wig. Just watch her dance now. Watch her dance. She even went around the whole school and showed everybody. But I'm just glad that she loved her hair. That's all that matters. A happy client. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.